dripping text animation effect on Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Alight motion on your device. Once the app is open, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen and select Create Project to create a new project. After entering the project workspace, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and select Text to add a new text box. Type your desired text into the text box. After adding the text, adjust the alignment according to your preference. Next, open the font selection menu and choose a font that you like. Set the size of the text so it is clearly visible. Then go to the color option and choose any color you want for the text. After the text setup is complete, open the effect browser and search for stretch segment. Apply the effect to your text layer. Once the effect has been added, set the angle value to 90 degrees. Adjust the stretch value according to your needs. Then open the offset setting and move the offset to the top of the text. After that, increase the smoothing value until it reaches the maximum value. Next, press the three-dot button on the right side and duplicate the stretch segment effect. Open the duplicated effect and adjust the stretch value again according to your preference. Then go to Offset and move the offset below the text. Turn on the offset keyframe. Move forward a few frames on the timeline and set another offset keyframe with the offset positioned in the middle of the text. After that, open the transform option and place the text in the center of the screen. Apply a graph to the offset animation to make the movement smoother. Continue adjusting the remaining values until you achieve a dripping appearance that you like. Once the text animation is ready, create a new rectangle shape layer. Apply the copy background effect to the rectangle. Then add the wave warp effect as well. Open the wave warp settings and adjust the values until you find a result that matches your preferred look. After that, turn on the magnitude keyframe. Set the first magnitude keyframe to 0. Move forward a few frames and create a second keyframe. Set the second magnitude value according to your preference. Apply a graph to the magnitude animation to make the movement smoother.